Hello everyone, we could see some fans over here for Rangpur Riders as well. It's the city of the Chittagong Kings. All the Kings are playing right at the moment against the Rangpur Riders. The Riders, I don't know how they're going to react to that because this city is basically for the Kings. And they've got a huge level of, fans over here. But, Rangpur Riders are not really lacking behind here. They've got some fans over here as well, and they will definitely go to the stadium to cheer up their team. And let's see what they have to say about Rangpur Riders.
রংপুর থেকে আসছি খেলা দেখবো খেলা ভালো লাগবে আমরা তাই রে রংপুর জিতুক রংপুরের ভাষায় কথা বলি রংপুর থেকে আসছুং চিটাগাং ভাই খেলা দেখিম খেলা দেখিয়ে যদি রংপুর জেতে তাহলে খুশি মন করিয়া চলি যাম রংপুর ফেভারিট প্লেয়ার নুরুল হোসেন সোহান
Okay.
নাহিদ রানা
Khushadil Shah. Iftikhar
Ahmed.
All right. Okay.
Shumma Sarkar.
Shumma Sarkar. Okay. Anything?
No. আমি বলবো না ভাইয়া আমি কি বলবো রংপুর জিতবে
বরিশাল কাপ নেবে
খুলনা কাপ নেবে খুলনা
বরিশাল নেব
রংপুর বরিশাল
রংপুরে হবে
বরিশাল কাটি গুটি কোথায় নিয়ে চলে থাকা রংপুর রাইডাক্স আমরা বরিশাল নতুন যমুনা সেতুর মাঝখান দিয়ে নতুন রেল নিচে ওখান দিয়ে কাপ নিয়ে যাবো আমরা
Okay. So as you've seen, the fans are really crazy about Rangpur Riders as well. As I mentioned earlier, this city is basically for the Chittagong Kings, but we've seen the fans of Rangpur Riders as well. And just think about it, how crazy they are. From Rangpur, they've come here to Chittagong to support their team. This team is not only holding the local players, it also has, some foreign players as well, like Khushadil Shah, and then, Iftikhar Ahmed, some other players as well. So things have been going really well for Rangpur Riders, and if they can play really well, and maybe this time also Rangpur Riders will win the game against Chittagong Kings, and that's what the assumption or hope for the Rangpur Riders fans here in Chattogram. Tushar Imran from crickline24.com. See you in the next one, guys.